All You Need for a Snowman by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Barbara Lavallee. All you need for a snowman. One small snowflake fluttering down. That's all you need for a snowman. Except two more snowflakes, three snowflakes, 4, 5, 6, 7,000, 8 million more. Billions of snowflakes piled in a mound, pat them and pack them and roll them around into one big ball. And that's all. One big, cold, well-rolled snowflake ball. That's all you need for a snowman. Except for a middle-sized ball and a small one. On top of that, you need a hat, a short, flat hat or a tall one. 3 hand-packed, triple-stacked balls of snow, hat on top where a hat should go. That's all you need for a snowman, except for a couple of bottle caps, round and flat, stuck under them for a snowman's hat. Surprise! Snowman's eyes. That's all you need for a snowman's face. But what's in the middle? An empty space. That's the place where the carrot goes if a carrot is a snowman's nose. But what about clothes? Walnut buttons, 5 in a row, belt in the middle, boots below, a big wool scarf, broom to hold, mittens in case his hands get cold, earmuffs, fanny packs, something to read. That's absolutely all you need for a snowman. Uh-oh. Look into the sky again. One small snowflake falling. Then soft white snowflakes filling the sky, floating down everywhere, piling up high. And that's all you need for a snowman's friend. The end. Hello, I'm the mom that reads. I choose books from our own library that were my children's favorites. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe.